Hostilities in Gaza are still persistent. All footage coming out shows the massive and widespread destruction of residential neighborhoods in the enclave, while telecommunication and internet services have been severed. The death toll now nears 21,000. The Israeli army continues its air, sea and ground operation offensive against Gaza. Today, the Israeli army delivered 80 bodies of Palestinians killed during the fighting to the Palestinian side after being held by them, while intensive fighting is still taking place between the Israelis and Hamas fighters.
On Tuesday, Israel Defense Forces Chief of Staff Herzi Halevi told media that the army is close to dismantling all Hamas battalions in northern Gaza, and it will expand its operations in southern and central Gaza. Halevi also said that the fighting will last many more months, and this was echoed by the report of TV Channel 12, saying that the IDF will shift its strategies in Gaza and turn to a prolonged fighting with low intensity.
I believe that now for the majority of Israelis is to get the hostages back home. We need a two-state solution, and a two-state solution can only be achieved with a strong diplomatic orchestration that will include the consensus in the international world around the two-state solution.